All the videos you see on the screen right now were created by AI. Zero cost, zero watermarks, zero limits. In this video, we'll show you, one by one, the best free AI video tools of 2026. That is, the list of the best free AI video generators. But first, let's talk about this. You open most free AI tools. They give you 5 credits. They run out. Buy a subscription. I won't do that to you. The tools I'll show you in this video are truly free and truly unlimited. AI video generator free unlimited, this isn't just a slogan. It's how these tools actually work. I've tested them all myself. I've tested them. I use them every day. And now I'm explaining them all to you here. You might ask, how can they be free? You're right, that's a valid question. There are 2 reasons. First, some of these tools are open source AI video generators. That means they're developed not by a company, but by a global community. Open source, open access. Legitimate and completely free. Second, giants like Google and Meta are currently in open beta. They want to gain users. You're benefiting from this process for free. So yes, the best free AI video tools of 2026. No watermarks, no credit limits, no subscription pressure. If you're ready, let's get started. Our first tool is Meta AI. This site has been created by the company founded by the creator of Facebook and Instagram. In my opinion, it's one of the most incredible AI video tools you can find for free right now. You simply go to meta.ai and log in with your Instagram account in a single click. There's no need to create a new account. I'm trying it out right now. A train traveling through snow-capped mountains, 16:9. Instantly, 4 different images appear. What's more, it's completely free and the quality is really excellent. I select one and press the animate button, and that static image instantly comes to life, turning into a video. 1 click, 0 cost. But the real feature most people don't know about is this, the extend button. When you press this, the video extends itself, adding new frames. It continues seamlessly without any interruption. Then I tap Add Music and choose a track that suits the train. In an instant, it has movement, the duration has been extended, and it has a lovely soundtrack. If you like, you can also change the vibe of the video from the same place. Different styles, different moods. Or you can generate a video directly from text, without creating any visuals, just using the prompt you write. A little tip, if you add cinematic, slow motion, 4K, 16:9 at the end of your prompt, the results turn out much better. Don't forget to check out the Vibes page. There you can see videos created by others, which not only inspires you, but also shows you what's possible. The best part is this, no watermarks, no subscription, no credit limits. It's completely free. Given that such a powerful and generous free AI video tool exists in 2026, I reckon many people still aren't aware of it. I really recommend you give it a go. The second tool, Google Video Creation Tool, Veo 3.1. This tool was normally available via Gemini, but as of April 2026, it is no longer available to the general public. Only Pro and Ultra users can use it. However, it is still accessible via the Flow website, where you are also given 150 free credits per month. To use it via Flow, I type Flow into Google and go to the first site that appears. I clicked Create New Project and logged in. There are many features here. We have 3 different models available, which cost 10, 20, and 100 credits per 8-second video respectively. Remember, free accounts have 150 credits per month, whilst pro accounts have 1,000 credits. I generally use the fast model, which is both high quality and economical. One of the great features here is that we can specify the first and last frames. For example, this is how they create those trending DIY house building videos online. Let's provide an empty plot for the first frame and ask it to build a house. And just like that, it's built a house on this plot. You can create high quality work here using more detailed prompts. Let's also create a standard video by selecting the light model. Behind the anime girl is a fantastical dragon. It generated it and it's not bad at all. Just like on meta.ai, you can click the extend button here to extend your video if you wish. You can easily create videos like this too. At the same time, from April 2026 onwards, you can use Veo 3.1 with a brand new tool called Vids, and most content creators are still unaware of this. Google Vids, supported by Veo 3.1, is now free for every Google account. Go to the Google website, click on Vids under the Tools section in the top right-hand corner. Yes, that's all there is to it. If you you have a Gmail address, you already have access. No subscription, no waiting list. Every month, you'll get the following for free. 10 video creations supported by VO 3.1. Let me show you how it works. Click the VO button on the right-hand panel. I'll type a simple command. A golden retriever running in a field lit by sunlight, slow motion, cinematic. Take a look at the result. Motion physics, light interaction, depth of field. This is what VO 3.1 does best. You can create content from text prompts or a static image. Let's bring this bee stinger to life. In other words, if you have a photo you want to animate, Google Vids can handle that too. It really looks fantastic. Now, here's an honest summary. Free Google account Arrow. Create up to 25 videos using Flow and Vids with VO 3.1. Checkmark. That's a pretty good number. AI Pro/Ultra subscribers too. Higher limits plus custom AI music via Lyria 3, plus customizable AI avatars. For most content creators, 25 videos a month is more than enough to test ideas, create B-roll, and produce content consistently. What about quality? Frankly, it's in a league of its own. Google trains VO using some of the highest quality video data in the world, and it shows in the results. Head over to Vids now. This is the best Google AI tool that most people haven't tried yet. Tool number 3, Qwen. Alibaba's open source AI. And honestly, most creators have never even heard of this one. Head over to qwen.ai and log in. It's free. You'll land on a chat screen. This is where we create the video. I want to make a cat video here. So I typed an orange cat walking in the garden, grass, morning light. While Qwen is generating our video, let me tell you about what this platform actually is, because it's more than just a free AI video generator. Qwen is powered by Qwen 3.6 Plus, Alibaba's latest and most powerful multimodal model. It works like ChatGPT. You can generate images, run web searches, have real conversations, all completely free. It's a full AI workspace, not just a video tool. Now, fair warning, sometimes video generation requests can fail during peak traffic hours. Don't panic. Just wait a minute and try again. It happens with all free tools at this level. Okay, look, our video is ready. Such a cute little cat. And notice something, the more detailed your prompt, the better the result. This isn't just a good looking video either. It automatically generated sound. The rustling leaves, the wind blowing through the grass, all of it AI generated. Zero extra steps. Let's go again immediately. I'll type a flock of birds flying around the foothills of a mountain. And here's why Qwen's video generation is genuinely special for content creators. Completely free, completely unlimited, zero watermarks. In a world where most AI video tools lock you behind paywalls after 5 clips, that is priceless. Look, our bird video is ready. Incredible motion, incredible sound design, a full cinematic short. No subscription, no credit card, no watermark. This is why Qwen deserves a spot in every creator's toolkit. Tool number 4, and this one is genuinely one of my favorites. Hugging Face. Think of it as a treasure trove of AI tools, and I mean that literally. Head over to huggingface.co and go straight to the Spaces page. This is where the real treasure lives. Nearly every major AI model developer, from independent researchers to billion-dollar labs, publishes their work here for free. Visual models, video models, audio models, language models, 3D models, all in one place, all free to experiment with. Now, let's focus on video for today. When you land on the Spaces page, you'll see hundreds of models. Not every single one will work perfectly, but trying them costs you nothing. I'm going to click on WAN 2.2. Here's where it gets exciting, because Hugging Face isn't just a free text to video AI platform. It's also a free image to video AI. You take any photo and you turn it into a moving video. That single feature alone is incredibly powerful. Once you try it, you'll immediately understand what I mean. I'm going to upload a butterfly image here, adding my prompt, generating, and here's our butterfly video. Is it as detailed as some of the other tools we've looked at? Honestly, no. But here's the thing, the more detailed your prompt, the better your results. Play with it, experiment, it's free. And this is just one model out of hundreds on the Spaces page. Text to video, image to video, all completely free. No watermarks, no installation required. You just open the browser and generate. There are so many more models waiting for you there. Each one different, each one free to try. If you've watched this far and any of the tools in this video have been helpful to you, please write thank you. And subscribing to the channel takes just 2 seconds. These things mean the world to me. It shows that I'm really making a difference. Tool number 5, and if I'm being completely honest with you, this is the one that genuinely shocked me. Kling AI. And in terms of raw visual quality, this might be the strongest free AI video generator I've ever tested. Go to klingai.com and create a free account. No credit card, no subscription required. Here's how the free tier works, and this is important. Every single month, Kling automatically credits your account with 66 credits. They reset every month for free, forever. Now, when you land on the dashboard, you'll see multiple model options. You can pick different versions depending on what you're going for. But if you want the absolute best output, and why wouldn't you? You want Kling 3.0. It's their most advanced model, and the gap in quality between 3.0 and the older versions is immediately visible. Now here's where Kling separates itself from the other tools we've covered today. You have two ways to create: text to video, type a prompt, get a cinematic result; image to video, upload any image and bring it to life. That Kling AI image to video pipeline is genuinely special. Upload a photo, a product shot, a landscape, a portrait, and watch it become a moving scene with realistic physics and lighting. I'll show you this properly in a second, but first, let me generate a video right now so you can see what I mean. I'm going to write a detailed prompt here, and I want to emphasize this. With Kling, your prompt quality directly determines your output quality. The more specific and cinematic your language, the better the result. My prompt: a sleek sports car drifting through a rain-soaked city street at night. Cinematic, action camera angle, close to the car, no cuts. Now, a 5-second video at maximum quality costs 45 credits. With 66 free credits per month, you can generate roughly one high-quality video per month for free at this setting, or several shorter ones. But watch what comes back. Look at this. This is competing directly with paid tools that charge $30, $50 a month. The motion, the rain hitting the bodywork, the camera moving around the car like a real cinematographer set it up. This isn't what I expected from a free AI tool, not even close. This is why Kling AI is genuinely considered one of the best AI video generators in 2026. It's not hype. The output speaks for itself. My tips for getting the most out of your 66 free credits: use shorter durations, 5 seconds, for testing. Save longer runs for your best prompts. Always write in cinematic language. Golden hour, slow motion, shallow depth of field. Image to video mode often gives better results than pure text. Give your AI a visual anchor to work from. If you only have credits for one video this month, make it count with Kling. Alright, these 5 tools will definitely cover everything you need as a content creator in 2026. But I'd like to recommend 2 more bonus tools, because they deserve a mention, and I wouldn't feel right if I didn't show them to you. Bonus 1. Go to Pika.art and sign in with Google. The moment you create an account, 88 free credits are added to your wallet every month. Pika Labs has quietly become one of the most underrated free AI video creators out there. The interface is clean, results are fast, and the animation quality truly amazes people. I uploaded a simple cat image and typed a single word: animate. That's it, one word. And look what came out: 20 credits spent, 68 credits remaining. That's the power of the Pika AI video creator. You don't need to be a prompt engineer. You don't need to know anything technical. Upload, type, get a video. Simple, free, monthly credits. There's no excuse not to try it. Bonus 2. Runway ML. This is different. This is the real deal. Go to runwayml.com and create a free account. When you sign up for the first time, Runway gives you 500 credits as a welcome gift. These don't renew monthly like the others, but using them just once is enough to understand why Runway has such a great reputation. Runway ML isn't just a free AI video creator, it's a fully featured creative studio. Let me show you what I mean. First, I uploaded a reference image. No prompt, just animation. And it animated the image beautifully. Realistic, natural movement. 25 credits. Then I took it a step further. I added a second reference image, and this time I wrote, "A man in an orange jacket walking against the wind." Runway asked me for camera angles. I selected my preferences, confirmed, and waited. Listen to the result. The wind, footsteps, the sound of the sea in the distance. The camera moves exactly as I wanted. This is powered by Runway Gen 4, the most cinematic models. And that's what sets Runway AI apart from everything else on this list. It doesn't just generate images, it creates an atmosphere. And then I laid it all out. I prepared a very detailed text prompt, a battle scene, 720p. I clicked create. Look at this. It looks like it was taken straight out of a Hollywood production, a true masterpiece. Yes, it costs credits, but if the result looks like this, every single one is worth it. My honest take on Runway: save your 500 credits for your best ideas. Don't waste them on tests. When you're ready to create something that truly looks cinematic, that's when you open Runway. Closing. That's it. Right now, today, 5 powerful free AI video tools you can use for free, plus 2 bonus tools. Let me summarize what we've covered. Meta AI integrates with your existing apps. Google Vids, seamless, fast, no learning curve. Qwen AI, unlimited, no watermark, completely free. Hugging Face, hundreds of models, text to video and image to video. Kling AI, cinematic quality that rivals paid tools. Pika Labs, 88 credits per month, extremely simple to use. Runway ML, the gold standard for AI video generation. The future of video creation isn't locked behind a $50 monthly subscription anymore. It's right here, for free, and now you know exactly where to find it. And if this video saved you time or money, or just opened your eyes to what might be possible in 2026, subscribing to the channel takes 2 seconds. That means everything to me and shows me I'm really making a difference. See you in the next video.